as soon as I...
Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Venus, or near Alvarado, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Waxahachie, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Alvarado, Ovilla, Venus, Italy, Oak Leaf, Mayfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 21 and 25. Interstate 35E between mile markers 385 and 410. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex.
Although they can't quite seem to figure out whose fault that is.